Name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, has been ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It's widely read globally. My mission is to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. I've coined a new leadership perspective, soft leadership, which is making waves across the world. This concept can be utilized for the progress of countries as well as companies. I have contributed lots of research papers on soft leadership, and the response is good from all the journals and magazines. And one of the research papers published by Industrial and Commercial Training of Emerald is the most frequently downloaded research paper in the world. Today, I would like to talk about choosing your career and building your leadership brand. Why I have chosen this topic is most of the students they work very hard and climb the ladder. After reaching to the top of the ladder, they realize that the ladder is leaning on the wrong side of the wall. So this is the typical case of many students, not only in India, in various parts of the world. So that's why I have chosen a brief topic to explain about choosing your career. Before you want to choose your career, you must take inventory of your skills, and also you must find out your talents. You must see that your skills are aligned towards your talents rather than the talents are aligned towards your skills. And take MBTA test, Myers and Briggs type instrument test. You take it. It's a cooperated one. It will list out around 16 personality types, and it will also tell you which personality do you belong, and from that you can make out a couple of careers, and of those careers you can choose the one which you feel comfortable, and you can go ahead. There are 4 years you must make a note of while choosing career. First year is attitude, second year is aptitude, third year is abilities, fourth year is awareness. That means whenever you take a career, either a doctor, actor, engineer, whatever it is, you want to undertake that particular career. So you have to see your attitude towards it. Do you like it? Do you have positive attitude? Would you like to go about it? That's what you must be very clear. Second year means aptitude. Do you have the mindset? That means do you have the mental abilities to pursue that career? Third is skills. Do you have the skills and abilities to execute the task related to that particular career? And fourth year means awareness. What is the future for that career? What are the jobs available presently, and what will be the jobs available in future? So this you have to make a note of. So if you can take care of these 4 years, I'm sure you will be successful in your life, especially in choosing your career. While choosing your career, you must make a note of one aspect, that is, don't run behind money, run behind your heart. Follow your passion, not money. If you look at leaders like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, they all have succeeded because they followed their hearts rather than money. Since they followed their passion, then money chased them. So similarly, you must always follow your passions. Over a period of time, money will start chasing behind you. Once you work in your career for 10,000 hours, you will become a successful professional. Again, if you continue in the same profession for some more years, you will establish yourself as a thought leader, and you will be able to build your leadership brand. Globally, you will be called as so and so. So that's how the branding takes place. So these are the things you have to make a note of. At the end, I would like to tell you a message, that is, don't compromise with your career, and don't compromise with the selection of your spouse, because career is something you work around 8 to 10 hours a day, so which you have to enjoy. If you enjoy, you will be able to lead in your professional life. Similarly, spouse is someone you intend to live throughout your life, so you have to be very careful in choosing your spouse. And if you get a good spouse, your life will be happy, family life will be happy. If you get a job according to your passion, you'll be able to enjoy your professional life. So you'll be able to lead a very happy, prosperous and peaceful life. Therefore you'll be able to provide meaning to your life. Thank you very much for your time.